Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Buldak ramen. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Buldak ramen, about 2 1/2 cups of water, and any desired toppings. Popular additions include a perfectly soft-boiled egg, some freshly chopped green onions, or a slice of melty cheese. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's get those noodles cooking to perfection. Start by bringing about 2 1/2 cups of water to a vigorous, rolling boil in a medium-sized pot. Once the water is bubbling enthusiastically, carefully add your Buldak ramen noodles. Stir them gently to ensure they separate and cook evenly. Let them simmer for approximately 3 minutes or until they reach your preferred level of tenderness. We want them just right, not too soft. This is where the magic happens and the incredible Buldak flavor comes alive. After your noodles are cooked, carefully drain most of the water from the pot. Make sure to leave approximately 8 tablespoons, or about 1/2 cup, of water with the noodles. Now, add the fiery Buldak sauce packet and the dried flake packet. Stir everything together vigorously for about 30 seconds, ensuring every strand of noodle is coated in that delicious, spicy goodness. Get ready for some heat. Your delicious Buldak ramen is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer the hot, flavorful noodles into your favorite serving bowl. This is the perfect moment to add any of those wonderful toppings you prepared earlier. A creamy soft-boiled egg, a sprinkle of fresh green onions, or a slice of melting cheese will elevate your dish. Take a moment to appreciate your culinary creation, and then dig in. Enjoy every spicy, savory bite of your homemade Buldak ramen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.